Welcome back to the Green Group. This is your second week learning all about fractions. I just want you to have a look at what we did last week. You were looking at a reminder about what halves are like, and that halves is when a whole thing is in two equal pieces, and it can be done in different ways. Quarters is when a whole thing is split into four equal pieces, and that can be done in different ways as long as the pieces, there's four of them and they're all equal, all the same. So this week we're going to start looking at eighths. Our learning intention today is to understand what an eighth is, an eighth. I can show different ways of splitting a shape into eighths. I know that all 8 pieces need to be the same size when it's eighths, and then I can write 1/8 and know what it means. So we're going to be looking at splitting some shapes into eighths. That means 8 equal pieces. At home you should have some paper or card, which is a rectangle. And the first way we're going to split them into eighths is this way. Fold your piece of card into half, that's 2 pieces. Fold your piece of paper again. So we now have 4 equal pieces, so it's in quarters. And then once you've got it into quarters, you fold it over again. So it's going to be long, thin pieces. And then we have 8 equal pieces. So our 8 equal pieces are long and thin this time. So we have long, thin pieces, and each one is an eighth. Let's just rub this on. So we could put it this way, or we could even put it this way. So each piece is 1/8. Let's have a look. We have 8 equal pieces. You can see where the folds are. And you can do this, draw the lines down to see the 8 equal pieces. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each piece is 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8, 1/8. Each piece is 1/8. So in a whole thing, there's 8 eighths. 1/8, 2/8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 eighths is one whole. 8 eighths is like one whole thing. But we can split our shape into eighths a different way. We get our rectangle of card or paper again. We can split it into eighths this way. So we could split it over like this. That's the long side now. So that's in half. To do it so that the edges match. You've got 4 pieces, so it's now in quarters. And once we've got in quarters, if we fold it over carefully again, making sure the edges match, and then press it down carefully, we should now have 8 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's have a look. They look different shape and different size to the first lot of eighths, but they're still eighths because it's a whole thing and it's being split into 8 equal pieces. So this time our eighths are even longer and thinner. They go all the way down the fold. And down this fold, 2, well, that's gone off the line a bit, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's still 8 equal pieces. So each of those pieces are still 1/8. Okay, final way to do 8 is we could fold it in half this way. And then, so we've got 2 pieces, and then fold it like this. So we've got 4 pieces. And then fold it like this. So that one looks very different. But if you count the pieces, there's still 8 pieces out of the same. I think I'll turn it around this way. And you see where the 8 different pieces are, the 8 eighths? So fold down the middle first, and then the 8 eighths. So each piece is 1 out of 8. So we have 8 eighths again. So that's another way to show eighths. You can also make eighths with other shapes. So I have a circle here. And it's pretty tricky to get them all the same when they're in a circle, because we can't have it looking like this and just fold them like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because look, they're not the same size, so they are not eighths. We've got to make sure that all the pieces are the same size. So this is how you do it with a circle. If you haven't got any circular paper at home, just draw around a plate onto a piece of paper or card. So there's our circle. We fold it so it's in 2 pieces, so it's in half. Then we fold it over again. So it's in quarters, it's in 4 equal pieces. And once you've done it into quarters, you fold it over again. And when you open it out, it should be in eighths. It should be in 8 equal pieces. And this is what this one looks like. See if you can all do these ones at home and make all of your shapes into eighths. So you can see the 8 different pieces there. Try it, they're sort of a cheese sort of shape. That's where we did it in half, then we did it in quarters, then we folded it so that it was 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equals half. Each one is 1/8. 1 piece out of 8. So we have 8 eighths there. So today, I hope you will be having fun at home using some card and seeing all the different ways you can make eighths. Remember that they all have to be the same size, and there has to be 8 parts to the whole. 8 parts to make 8 eighths. Okay, have fun.